Hey there, today I'm going to be unboxing a new Louis Vuitton item to me, and I'm really pleased that I was able to find a successful purchase this time, and you'll learn more about that after the intro. Stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, handbags, your cup of coffee, whatever makes you feel good about yourself, because you deserve it. You deserve to treat yourself. And today I am treating myself to a little bit of Louis Vuitton. And in all transparency, I actually picked this up several months ago and kind of forgot about it, which is something that I know that just seems overly privileged to say, but sometimes I buy things and I mean to unbox them like right away with y'all, and I just like, life gets in the way, and I put it up on my shelf up there, and then they get pushed and pushed and kind of just put aside, and I'm like, oh, I'll get to it at some point, and then 3 months go by. So I bought this in just before Vlogmas started, so that's how long I've been sitting around waiting to be unboxed. But I knew that it was something that I wasn't going to wear right away. I wanted to wear it in the new year, and just kind of, it was going to be something I wanted to get into wearing it at some point. It wasn't like a priority. So anyway, long story. This one, and the reason I picked it up was I've been on a mission to get more jewelry or accessories and not just keep buying handbags and items from the luxury houses that I've been at. Because I have a lot of bags. I have a lot of small leather goods. I wanted to just kind of branch out. So I've gotten a few bracelets from Hermes. I tried to get a Murakami bracelet at LV, and that ended up not working out. So I was kind of hesitant to pick anything else up without going into store. And I was lucky enough to go into store. It was Black Friday, and was able to try on and pick out this item. So this is where this one comes from. So didn't get the holiday packaging at the time though. Anyway, so this item right here, it's in this small box. It is a jewelry item, as I mentioned, and it is a bracelet. So I have been trying to decide what type of bracelet I wanted. I know that everything in like the women's area is not made for me. So your girl's thick. I don't, you can't hide that. I'm a big girl, and it the sizing, it's just, they're not comfortable, and a lot of some will come in the 19 centimeter, and that occasionally I can squeeze onto my wrist, but for the most part they're just not that comfortable. So when I went into the store, my sales associate, she's a little thick girl herself, so she understands my dilemma. And she's like, well, let's go over to the men's side and see if there's anything that catches your eye. And I'm like, okay, that's a good idea. So we were over there just checking things out and trying things on. And this is the item that I chose to pick up. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. And it was a funny thing is my husband was with me, and to justify buying it, I'm like, oh, let's get one that you like too, because then we can both use it, right? And he's just like, I'm not gonna wear it. And I'm just like, but what, you might like it. And so I kept trying to talk him into, I had him try it on so he can wear it, but he's just like, I'm never going to use it, Nancy. It's going to be in your jewelry box and you're always going to use it. But I'm like telling myself, well, it's a great investment, but we're both going to use it. I mean, the girl math of it all. Even so, it wasn't very expensive in the grand scheme of things. This was actually a quite reasonable purchase, but I like that it comes in just a little tiny box with a little dust bag. And this one is called the Keep It bracelet. It comes in the 19 and the 21, and I ended up getting the 21 because I wanted it to be comfortable. And I got, I believe, if I remember correctly, this is the Black Eclipse version. And I'll insert pictures of it because you cannot tell at all from the way it looks. You can't tell the canvas very, very clearly. This comes in the brown and the black, and it had actually a few other versions of it. I think there were some special colors like a blue and a green. So over the course of the last couple years, it's come out in some special releases. But for the most part, what I like about it is it's a real quick little push button right there, on and off, and then it clicks. So really easy to get on. And I don't like really tight bracelets. So while I could get the 19 on technically, and we tried on both of them, I didn't, I didn't feel comfortable getting the tighter one. I wanted to be able to, whereas the 19 would fit over on this side, the 21 would, I have my Apple Watch on this arm. The 21 would fit behind my Apple Watch. So if I wanted to stack it back here, I could. But then I also wanted it to be able to go up a little bit higher if I wanted other bracelets on there. So I ended up getting the 21 for that purpose. My husband, the 21 is actually better for him. He felt more comfortable with the 21. So that's why, again, I was telling myself it's going to be a great investment if we can both wear it. But it's really for me. Let's be honest. So this one, at the time when we bought it, it was $265. I think it's gone up just a little, like $5. It's not very much higher. So still pretty reasonable in the grand scheme of things. I think I've heard that the canvas does show wear pretty easily with these. I don't think I'm worried about it because the print is so faint as it is right now. It just kind of looks like a black leather cord type of bracelet with the silver on there. And this, let me put that on there. Well, I'll put the image up. So it's got Louis Vuitton engraved along each edge of there. So I think it's a cute bracelet, and I like it. So this is one that I could see myself getting in a variety of different colors and or maybe different sizes. So there was this one, and then the thicker kind of flat bracelet. I can't remember the name of that one. I'll put the image of it on the screen that I was considering, and I ended up just going for this one, and I like it. It kind of is similar to the Glennon that I have from Hermes. That one I got in it's like a navy blue color with gold hardware. So I wanted to get the black with the silver. I won't be stacking them, but it's just a similar type of, as the kids say, vibe out there. I just thought it was a fun kind of piece, a little edgy, kind of cool. But I might pick it up in the monogram, the regular monogram as well, just to have. But I thought it was kind of fun. So that was my gift to me kind of purchase. Like I said, I was buying it as a gift to us, to the spouse, but he just said it was for me. So anyhow, that is my quick unboxing. Glad that I could confirm that the 21 is where I'm most comfortable. So I probably will be continuing to shop in the men's area. I mean, Louis Vuitton doesn't have to do anything size inclusive, but it would be nice if they would offer more options in the consistent like 19 centimeter size range so that whenever releases came out, we would have that option. But it seems like more and more that's just a rarity that you'll see the 19 be an option and that one sells out right away. But even so, I would like to see more options in the 21 just to feel like I could purchase things. But anyway, quick little unboxing. Let me know what you think. Is it just stupid. I think they're kind of fun. Like I said, it's a nice little stocking piece. I think it would be a fun thing to have with like a bangle and this. And that's my kind of goal, is to have a more well-rounded luxury jewelry ensemble. So that's my new goal or want for the foreseeable future. So let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.